There you go. Wow. Ooh, smells good, huh?
You want to eat healthy. You want to know what's going into your food, what's going into your body. You can make these two delicious recipes in under 15 minutes.
Look at these beauties. I grew them in October. Now they're ready to be harvested. I know they're ready to be harvested because look at this. It's really firm and tight. So I'm going to harvest this. This is ready. I'm just going to pull it out because you only have one head per cabbage. So there you go. Wow, look at that.
Let's see.
I wonder how much it will weigh.
That's big.
Look at that. Let's go wash this and slice them.
All right, let's cook it up.
Yep, let's cook it up, chop it. Oh, I almost forgot to harvest cilantro that I'll need for the garnish. You'll need some curry leaf. This is optional, but since I have it, I'm going to use it in my dish. Cabbage are washed and clean. Let's prepare them for the dish. I'm going to chop it in half. Slice the second one. All right, I'm going to start chopping. So if you have the space and time, we encourage you to grow your own food. Otherwise, just buying and cooking from scratch, you're still getting a lot of benefit. The cabbage is now chopped. It's roughly chopped. You don't have to chop it very fine. I'm ready to start cooking this. Let me transfer it to a colander. So today I'll be making cabbage sabji, which is basically Indian stir-fry cabbage with masalas, Indian spices. I'm gonna open this. You need a white pan, some oil, and then you'll need, at the bare minimum, you'll need turmeric powder, cumin powder, and some paprika. These are the basic things that you need. But I have other spices. Since I cook Indian food, I'm going to use mustard seed, a little bit of cumin seed, and the curry leaf that I harvested from my garden.
We just cut.
Yeah.
Right.
All right, so the pan is hot now, so I'm going to add approximately a tablespoon of oil. I'm going to start by tempering the seeds. Remember, these seeds are optional. If you don't have it, you don't have to use them. It's going to sputter a lot, so make sure you have a lid or something. So let me grab a lid for this. It's 1 teaspoon of mustard seed. And cover with a lid so it doesn't fly all over. Next, a handful of cumin seeds, teaspoon or a little less than teaspoon. Ooh, it smells so good. Wow, now the next step is this curry leaf. It's very, it's gonna singe, in the hot oil. Ooh, I can feel the mustard seed coming to me. And this one. Ooh, smells good, huh? So now we can start adding the spices. Teaspoon of cumin powder. Paprika, teaspoon or less if you don't want it too spicy. Turmeric powder, maybe a little less than a teaspoon. I'm going to just add because it's getting very hot, so I'm going to add all this, the cabbage.
So once you add the spices, you really have to add the cabbage fairly quickly, right?
Yep. Otherwise the spice will start burning. Cook for like 10-15 minutes, that's it. Okay, I'm adding a little more turmeric for color because I felt I put less than a teaspoon, but sometimes you add too much, they can be a little bitter.
Or you just leave it?
Yeah, I cover it to cook it, to make it cook faster, but if you don't want it very soggy, you don't cover. So this has been cooking for about 10 minutes, it's ready. Now the next thing I have to do is add salt. I didn't add salt, so The last thing will be for me to garnish it with the cilantro from the garden. So I'm just gonna tear them with my hand. Curried sabji or cabbage sabji is ready. I'm gonna transfer into this bowl. See, simple, easy recipe. You know exactly what you put in your food, and it's tasty and good for you.
Okay, so my wife did all the hard work of chopping the cabbage, which is nice. I got 1 medium onion. This is just 2 cloves of garlic. And I'm going to use some apple cider vinegar. These are hot links. They're not necessarily
Healthy.
the healthiest ones, the healthiest foods we cook, but they got a good spice to them and everyone in the family likes. So I'm just going to simply chop them. And again, use whatever protein you like. Okay, that's it. We're done. These are our ingredients. All right, we got our onions, we got our garlic, we have our apple cider vinegar, and of course, the star of the show is the cabbage. For these, we probably will not need any oil.
Because they have their own oil, right?
If they have fat, got a little bit of spice there. These have a decent amount of fat, so depending on what you're cooking, you may need to add oil. You see they're already browning up. All right, I'm gonna add a little bit of oil. You see that little bit of oil and then the fat. That's a good layer. I'm gonna go ahead and add the onions. So this has been going for about 5 minutes. I'm gonna add my garlic. This is real apple cider, so it has the mother at the bottom. And I'm not gonna add a lot. Maybe a tablespoon, we'll see. I just wanna scrape up a little bit of what's on the bottom. You can use any sort of vinegar. Honestly, balsamic vinegar is quite good with it. It gives it kind of a sweet flavor. So you get the sweetness along with the spiciness of the hot links. So I'm gonna leave it uncovered.
Maybe increase the flame.
Yeah, I'm gonna turn it up a little bit. All right, put this in a bowl and eat.
Yeah, the best part. Now we are ready to eat what we cook. This is the best and most fun part.
Yeah.
Cook at home, because when you cook at home, you know exactly what goes in the food. Yummy.
I had a little bit of a char on my fork, so that one tasted like a char.
The hot links. I'm mixing everything, the curry and the hot link together. So you can eat this with rice, bread, naan, or any carb that you like. It's just like eating it like this, right?